Manual, may clutch.
Paano gagana?
Ano yan?
Sa baba.
So that's running it?
Ito siya. Brad, naman to.
Beautiful day mga mista. Ngayon pupunta tayo sa Sharmax Motorcycle dito sa UAE dahil naimbita nila yung Tambucho para tingnan yung mga motor sa showroom nila. As per Google, mga 30 minutes daw. So tara, karga tayo.
Dito pala sa likod yung entrance nila. One thing that caught my attention while I was roaming around is this specific bike. Look, let's check this out. And the thing is, this is an electric bike. We'll get a chance to test this some other day. This is right now, we're just gonna roam around their store. Let's try to start it up. And looks like may camera dito. Anyway, we will learn more pagka ano na natin to, tinest ride na natin.
Yeah, but this manual? Ooh. Let's hear it. So that's running it?
Ito siya. Brad, naman to.
Manual, may clutch.
Paano gagana?
Ano yan?
Sa baba. Iba natin to.
Isang electric, no?
Hi Jacob. Welcome to Sharmax. Did you find anything interesting?
Yeah.
You already have your bike,
Yeah.
but you don't have Sharmax yet, right?
Yeah, I got my.
We'll tell your dad to buy you one.
Yeah.
Yeah! How about Johan? You found something interesting? What bike do you want? Oh, you want a quad bike? Ito yata yung pinakasikat nila na venture bike. 770cc. And of course, meron din doon. This red one looks good. GL is 570cc. Dami nilang bike dito. Sobra. And yung tina-target ko talaga dito is ito, 450 na gagawin kong motard. So basically, mamimili kami ng bike dito na i-test ride. Tatlo yung pagpipilian kong bike. Nakapili na ako ng isa, which is yung electric. Ayan, yung electric. And then, yung adventure bike nila at saka yung dirt bike nila na gusto kong i-convert as a motard para dito sa street. Look at this 300cc na ADV bike. Enduro 250. Ito yung pang off-road na nila. Mababa siya eh. Abot na abot mo. Ang dami oh. Mayroon pa dito mukhang Street Fighter 250cc. Mukhang Ducati Street Fighter. Yun yung nag-iisa ng cruiser bike sa showroom na to. May mga scooter din sila dito. Na ito mukhang ADV, Honda ADV. Then ito mukhang Bergman. Bergman ba yun? Ay, ewan ko, hindi ako familiar sa mga motor sa Pilipinas eh. Pero Sharmax is an Italian brand, but their bikes are manufactured in China. Ano press? May napili ka na? Ito? Okay, gusto niya tong i-test ride. Oo, mukhang Diavel. Yun o, Jericho. Isumunod o. Nag-ride ka? Diyos ko, init. Kinaya mo. Yung mga buggy. Nag-enjoy na yung dalawang batuts. Say hi! Then, yung quad bikes. Nandito yung quad bikes na. So, magre-review tayo at magte-test ride tayo ng mga ganito. Mamaya pag-uusapan namin kung ano yung mga bike na napili namin. Bike na napili ng Tambucho para i-test ride at i-review nga. Hi Yasin, can you just tell us where your showroom is?
Yeah, so our location is Al Quoz number 1, Dubai.
About the after-sales support.
We have the maintenance here and we have the stock here in Al Quoz number 1 and even in Jabal Ali. So even the spare part, they are all available. Alright, and most of the time we are giving our services free.
Awesome, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
Absolutely.
So ito na nga yung pinag-iinitan kanina pa ng mga Tambucho. Curious na curious sila sa bike na to. Yan. Ilang cc yan? Anyway, if you saw something interesting sa video na to, may gusto kang bike na makita sa review, i-comment mo lang dyan sa baba, i-review natin yan.